Welcome back guys. Thank you so much for watching another video. 2009 Honda Fit 5-speed GE8 I believe is the chassis code. It's not in the best condition possible. The front bumper and hood are pretty messed up. There's some pretty bad dents on this thing. I want to do the headlights. I gotta restore that. That shouldn't take too long to do. There's like these kits. I'll try a few, see what works, what doesn't work. It came with these white wheels. I have no idea what brand these are, what offset these are. I also need to get new brakes because they're not the best, and I don't feel confident braking in this car, so I gotta change that. I haven't done much to it, but I do have some big plans for it coming soon. I do want to get an intake. I do want to get an exhaust. There is a pretty big dent right there, but it does really well in the winter. I've already driven it one winter. So today I am going to be getting this thing ready for winter. One thing that I forgot to do is cover up these exhaust holes with some towels. Why you want to cover it up is in case like a rodent gets in there, and it'll be all bad if you turn your car on and it's still in there. Like that. These are all pretty dirty regs already to begin with, so I don't really care too much about it. There, all done. Just to prevent anything from getting inside the car. Okay. I already missed driving this thing. It's been so nice and sunny the past few days. Oh well. First thing is first, winter tires. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm not gonna bore you guys. Changing tires is pretty easy. So, bam. And just like that, winter tires are on. Now it's on ugly steelies, I know. This car doesn't look that bad in this lighting. It actually looks really good. I want to tell you why this is one of the best dealies you can buy for the price. I bought this for $5,000 off of Facebook Marketplace. The amount of cup holders it has is crazy. There's one right here, two down here, one over there, one over there, one over here. And I think there's some, yeah, there's cup holders back there too. And then guess what? These seats here, super comfortable, but if you want, bam, hidden compartment right here. Pull this down, same one, and more space for whatever you want. Like, no, I don't know any other car that can do that. The amount of space back here is amazing, by the way. Like, you can do so much. There's so much room for activities here, you know? It's also very good on gas, and parts are so cheap for this car. Like an intake for the GTR is $1,000. This is like $300. Also, this is gonna be one of the best parts about the car. When I bought it, it does have an exhaust leak, and it actually sounds pretty damn good. Obviously, I want to get a catback for it, but I'm generally surprised how good it sounds as is right now. Like, it has a stock muffler, it has stock everything, but listen to this. Honestly, not bad, right? I hope that sounds good. Like, honestly, for an exhaust leak, it's not bad.
see, it doesn't sound that bad, honestly. It sounds pretty good. Oh man, I can't wait to mod this thing. It actually does sound pretty decent, honestly. It doesn't sound that bad. All right guys, well, thank you so much for watching another video. Comment down below what mod you think I should do to this car, because there's so much I want to do to it. Any suggestions you think that would be a good mod for this car, let me know in the comments below. Leave your boy a sub if you don't mind. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one, and don't forget to drive safe. Brand Flakes out.